So in this video, you'll learn how to enable or disable parental controls on your Nintendo Switch 2. So if you've already set it up, then turning this feature on or off can be incredibly simple. So you'll see the on button right here with the parental controls icon, and that's the button that you're going to be using whenever you want to enable or disable parental controls. So currently mine is on, which is why it's red and there's an on button. But if I want to turn it off, I can just tap on it, and then you will be prompted to enter in the PIN that you used when you first set up parental controls. So go ahead and enter it in, and then confirm you want to turn it off. Once you've done that, you can see it switched to off, and the icon has even gone to a gray color, which means that you've successfully disabled it. So now you can continue using your Nintendo Switch 2 without parental controls hindering you. Once you're ready to turn parental controls back on, all you need to do is just tap on that button again, just once, like this, and then confirm that you have enabled it, and you can see it's been successfully turned on, and now the person who's going to be using it will be using your Switch with parental controls enabled. And so that's how you can easily turn this feature on or off on your Switch 2. If you have any questions or comments, leave them down below and we'll get back to you.